video on how to change your Outlook appearance in the new Outlook. So open the new Outlook, go over here to the top right corner and select Settings. Then go over to the left side and select General, then Appearance. Here is where you can change your Outlook appearance. One mode I like to turn on is dark mode. Here are some other options you can try. This gives Outlook an image in the background. Very nice. Some other options here. This one moves. Some other options to use color for your icons in Outlook. You can also display the names of the icons. And that is how you change your Outlook appearance in the new Outlook. Thank you for watching.